Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and let's get into this. All right, as you can see here, I have a bone-in pork butt that I'm adding a rub to. I picked this rub up at my local grocery store. They make them in-house. I really enjoy them. I think this one was the Kansas City rub, if I remember correctly. So either make your own rub or pick up whatever your favorite one is from the store. And then you want to rub all sides again. Don't worry about overdoing it. It's fine. So every square centimeter of this is going to get some rub. And when it's looking a little something like this, we're ready to bring it out to the smoker. So you have your smoker set for 225, and you'll want to smoke this for hours. At least 4 if you plan to finish it off in the oven, but hell, up to 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 if you plan to do it all the way on the smoker. All right, we're a couple of hours in. Our butt's looking fine. All right, let's go in the house and make the sauce. Now let's make the barbecue ranch dressing. First thing you're going to want to do is get a cup of Greek yogurt. And then you want to add a tablespoon of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, and then you want to add our spice blend, which is a 1/2 teaspoon of dill, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then a few cranks of the old pepper mill, about a 1/2 teaspoon. Then you want to start to give this a stir. And then you want to add a tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley and stir this around till everything is mixed together, and leave it in the fridge for at least 1 hour before using, or up to overnight. This will last in the fridge a couple of days. All right, let's make our ranch pork taco. We're going to spread a generous amount of that barbecue ranch dressing that we made. Then we're going to add some of that smoked pork that we made. Followed by some shreddis. Then we're going to add some cheddar cheese. And then we're just going to roll this up. And that's really it. Like I said, this was a really good twist on the classic taco. So, ranch pork tacos. I may have actually filled this, but like I said, this is a great twist on tacos for taco night. So that's ranch pork tacos. Done.